Hey mate, yeah, I think just to better be safe than sorry with these sorts of things. There's a couple of grey areas I can see on the landing page, and the last thing I want is the account to get shut down. A few little things that maybe I think I suggest just changing on the landing page. The headline here, and generate massive monthly cash flow. I'll probably look at rewording that or removing that if you can. A few other things. Join us for this exclusive online training event. So anywhere where we're calling out where you can earn a specific amount, that's also a bit of a red area or a red flag. So earning from $100 to $500 a month per website. And then when we also put in timeframes around income claims, so $100 to $500 per month per website in as little as 90 days with very little risk. That whole sentence there is a bit of a red flag. So whether or not you can just say earning from $100 to $500 per website, I'd maybe even get rid of per month. You could probably keep in as little as 90 days, but I'd definitely look at removing with very little risk. So that's quite a big claim. Facebook don't like those sorts of things. Step by step. Again, same here. So this online step-by-step system is designed to generate a highly leveraged income fast. So I'd look at rewording that, and then again for just 2 to 3 hours per day. So maybe reword that and say it's designed to create a highly leveraged, highly successful business, something along those lines. I'd get rid of working 2 to 3 hours a day. Again, Facebook don't like that. That seems okay. Just passive monthly cash flow. I'd get rid of passive monthly cash flow. Earn income while you sleep. I'd just even remove that whole end of that sentence. You probably end that sentence here. Create and control your. Maybe this point here, only a lot quicker and easier. I'd look at rewording that to something like only with fewer complications, or only much simpler, maybe. So a lot quicker and easier could also be a little bit of a red flag. Testimonials. So my lifestyle used to be working 5 days a week, 9 to 5, to make approximately $1,200 with no time for other things. Now I can earn double this working from home, no traveling in traffic. I'd probably just get rid of the now I can earn double this working from home. Working from home is a red flag. That's going to get pulled up. Financial freedom. That's another keyword that's red flag. I'd suggest, so they've shown me a way to make money without the need of capital or debt. As a young person, this course will help me. Maybe just say this course will allow me. So you can probably remove all that. Will allow me to enjoy life without the headache of buying property or shares. Yeah, I just removed the will help me find financial freedom and earn money online. You could probably just change that to something like to help every internet website novice succeed online. So it sort of carries the same meaning, the same weight, but it just doesn't say earn money. So even change the wording to around succeed online or generate success online. Cool. Yeah, there's a few things in there. So I just try rewording things, rewording some of the words around income producing or working from home, just to make it a bit more generic. So rather than saying working from home, maybe you can say found more life work balance is better, or something around that. Just so it's not directly claiming that you can just work from home. You can earn certain amount of income a day or working a certain number of hours a week, that sort of thing. So I'll also shoot over the policies just so you've got an idea of the guidelines that they that Facebook asks us to keep within. But yeah, there's just those couple of little things I mentioned. I think if we make those changes, we should be cool. The ads are running, or they've been approved to run, but yeah, I just being a bit overly cautious here. I've had another ad account banned in the last couple of weeks for similar violations. So yeah, I think we would just make those few little changes. We should be in the clear, and it's better to be safe than sorry here. But yeah, let me know how you go with that. If you need any help coming up with any alternatives to what we've got. Thanks, mate. Bye.